welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sew a midi dress with balloon sleeves in just 30 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 30 minutes. This dress is super cute and comfy, and you can wear it on or off the shoulder. It's perfect for any occasion where you want to look fabulous. And the best part is you don't need any special sewing skills or expensive fabrics to make this dress. All you need is a sewing machine, some cotton fabric and some elastic. And of course you also need the free printable pattern that I have created for you. You can download it from the link in the description box below or from my site. This pattern is very easy to use and adjust. You can make your dress shorter or longer, sleeveless or with different sleeves, and change the neckline as you wish. So much! The possibilities are endless. Check my site sparrowfashion.com. I created special banners on possible alterations. So, if you're ready to learn how to sew this amazing dress, keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials and tips. Let's get started! Congratulations! You have just finished sewing your own midi dress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some new sewing skills. Now you can show off your dress to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I would love to see your photos or your finished dress. So tag me please on Instagram or Facebook with the hashtag #SparrowWithFashion. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. I have more sewing tutorials and tips coming up soon, so stay tuned. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy sewing!